Добрый вечер, здравствуйте. Так, Котельническая,
Котельническая,
да?
да. Добрый вечер.
Хорошо.
Спасибо. You speak English?
Yes.
So how is this Chinese thing?
Chinese?
Car.
You mean car?
Geely.
Geely is good, very good.
It's good.
Yes. Here in Moscow, very
know.
popular three brands.
Yeah.
Three brands.
Geely, Cherry,
Jerry, Chile, and
Great Wall.
Havel. Havel, you know?
Haval. Yes.
Yes,
That is part of Great Wall.
Yeah.
I know. Because of the sanctions, he's getting.
Is one of three. I think best is Geely.
Yeah. In Italy too, they are selling some.
Mm-hmm.
And in Italy they call it Dirisio, because they're doing some just a little bit assembling here in Italy, but it's basically Geely and Cherry. They're the same.
Geely, you know, it's Volvo.
Volvo, yes, I know.
Yes,
He's owner of
yes.
Volvo. Yeah,
Yes,
I know.
yeah. That's why I think it's very high quality
You know,
here.
it will be like in the past years, Korean was the same. You know, when they started with the Pony, Hyundai, it was just a joke. But then, after a few years, they're becoming good. And now the Koreans are very good cars. 5-7 years of warranties, so it's no problem at all.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, and this situation is shitty.
Yeah. Now also the navigation is not working.
Yeah, navigation is not working because of drone and nothing else.
Yeah.
That's why I have my own car here as well. And
Жамгыр төктү эч басылбай биз келаттык көл шал болуп жол кароого көз ачырбай бет алдымда шамал согуп күн күркүрөп жамгыр төктү ошол күндө кайда кетти жаштыгымда жеги кайрылбастан кете берди жамгыр төктү эске түштү алыс калган жаштыгымдай сагынтасың жүрөк тези колдон учкан ак кумдай күн күркүрөп жамгыр төктү ошол күндөр кайда кетти жаштыгымда жеги кайрылбастан кете берди.
course.
No, what the people are thinking is completely different from what the government are doing, and that is everywhere in Europe. You know, the governments are all under the America influence, but the people, no. People, at least in Italy, 70-80% of people thinking that Russia is right.
70?
Yeah, at least.
Uh-huh.
And Russia is right, Putin is correct,
Okay.
and the people nothing to do with what they're doing in the war. You know, the people supposed to be out of the shit they're giving. You know, you don't need to do bad thing to the people, like no fly, no food, no this, no that. That is useless. You know, governments are governments, but the people, 90% of people, they don't want to send not even a bullet to Ukraine. Nothing. And the same is, I'm living in Bulgaria.
Okay.
The same is in Bulgaria. The same is in France. The same is in Germany. They don't want to talk about Ukraine.
Yes, about political.
It's just only political games at the governmental level.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But the people,
Simple people is like...
people, they are with Russia.
Ah, really?
The
Oh. Interesting.
people, they don't understand why, you know, Russia, they cannot move. They don't understand why you are talking now. Putin, until the day before the starting operation, special operation, he was considered the best president ever in the world, in Italy. Yes.
Okay.
And then after, you know, only the newspapers and the governments that are paid by Americans, they're paid by all these neocon economical mafia, these are the only thing, nothing to do with the people. If you go on the internet, on YouTube, WhatsApp or whatever, you will see a lot of communications against America, against the government. But you know, there is now a lot, you know, for example, they don't allow us to choose with a referendum if you want to stay in Euro and in Europe. Because at least in Italy, 70% of Italy, they want to go out from NATO, and
really?
they want to go out from Euro. Simple like that.
Yeah, yeah. In Italy, I think is now the situation is not good there also.
No, just studying, you know. trying to do
Okay,
something
okay.
like that.
Understand. Your girlfriend or wife?
No girlfriend. Yeah, that's it.
How old are you?
Unfortunately. Me, I'm 60.
You're 60. Oh,
Да.
my. Do you have children? Kids?
Yes.
Two? You already... Your children is, I think, like 35 years.
No, I got married late.
Late.
We got the kids late, so my son is 22.
20 is okay.
And the lady is 19. The girl.
Where is they living in Italy?
Yeah, studying. They're
Studying.
doing university one, and the other one she is in the last of high class.
Okay. Very good. Your apartment is here?
Now we go left.
Okay. Yeah, I know. There's the Schlagbaum.
Yeah, this one, you know, is the first one that we came to see it 3 years ago, and then I took it. And
Yeah,
I like it.
it's good area.
It's a nice place.
It's very nice.
Even though in the evening here is always a mess with this traffic jam.
Yeah.
So sometimes I do it trick to pass on the other
Moscow
side.
River.
Yeah, I love it. It's
Yeah,
good.
very good. Very nice location.
Okay, yeah. So
Okay, one
this guy
moment.
is moving back.
Yes.
Okay then.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much. It was a pleasure.
Yeah, nice
I'll
to
leave
meet
you the things now.
Thank
okay?
Yes,
Ciao.
thank you. Ciao. Ciao, bambino.
Ciao.